This video shows how to properly change the motor in your Portacool Cyclone 130 portable evaporative cooler. To begin, ensure the evaporative cooler is unplugged and on a level surface. Remove the media flap from the back of the evaporative cooler and then remove the Cool Comfort evaporative media. Once the evaporative cooler is open, cut the zip ties, one holding the electrical box closed and all the ones holding the electrical cords together, making sure to not cut the cords. Remove the screw from the green ground wire on the blower housing. Then remove the two screws from the switch plate on the outside of the evaporative cooler and slide the entire box out of the evaporative cooler housing. Turn the box over and open by gently pushing on the 5 tabs. Find the largest of the quick connect plugs and disconnect it. Remove the 2 bolts holding the blower housing in place above the logo plate. Then turn the evaporative cooler housing on its face. Remove the 4 bolts from the top of the housing. Lift the entire blower housing from the evaporative cooler. Locate the worm gear clamp and remove it from the motor shaft on the blower wheel. Turn the blower housing over and disconnect both the green wire and the 2 wires that connect to the capacitor. Remove the 4 bolts that attach the fan motor arms to the blower housing and remove the fan motor from the blower wheel. Release the screw holding the motor band together and remove the arms from the band. Place the motor band on the new fan motor and slide in the arms. Tighten the screw to snug the motor band around the motor. Slide the new motor in the blower housing and secure it with 4 bolts. Attach the 2 wires to the motor capacitor and the green ground wire. Secure the worm gear clamp to the motor shaft on the blower wheel. Set the blower housing in the bottom of the evaporative cooler and secure it with 4 bolts to the top of the evaporative cooler. Set the cooler upright. Reattach the 2 bolts above the logo plate. Connect the fan motor cord to the switch in the electrical box. Ensure the 4 rubber grommets are in place, then close the electrical box by snapping 5 tabs closed. Push the electrical box back into place until it is flush against the evaporative cooler. Secure the box with 2 screws on the switch plate. Zip tie the electrical box closed and zip tie the electrical cords together and clip the ends. Reattach the green ground wire with 1 screw. Replace the evaporative media, paying close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrows should point up and inward. Replace the media flap and secure it with screws.